What's up? Hello din natin dyan. Good morning at kumusta po? So for today's video mga idol, tara panoorin natin at magbigay tayo ng reaction dito sa isang kanta na Celine Dion. It's All Coming Back to Me Now. So cover by Juby. Isang dalagita mga idol na kumanta at napakagandang boses to mga idol. Kayo na pong humusga. Let's go mga idol. Grabe, inuman session. Tumayo yung balahibo ko. Ang galing. Power! Taas ng boses. Grabe. Lupit mo, idol. Ang ganda ng boses at ang taas din. Power! Wow!
So long ago, but it's all coming back to me. Touch me like this.
Ang galing.
It was gone with the wind, but it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back. It's all coming back to me now. There are moments of love and there are flashes of light. There were things we'd never do again, and then there always seemed right. There were lights of endless pleasure. It was more than all your lies alive. When you touch me like this,
Wow!
and when you hold me
Ang
like
galing.
it was gone with the wind, but it's all coming back to me. When you see me like this, and when I see you like that, then I see what we want to see. All coming back to me. The flesh and the fantasies, all coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me now.
Grabe ang taas. Miss Joby sa kanyang cover song na It's All Coming Back to Me Now by Celine Dion. Grabe, na-amaze ba kayo mga idol? Grabe naman tong atin na to, ang taas ng boses, talagang marunong makipaglaro at talagang sanay din sa kantahan to. Bata pa to, I think nasa mga 18 or 20 ata to. So, inuman session ng po mga idol ay talaga naman po ang ating mga Pinoy. Grabe. So, kayo dyan mga idol, please comment down below mga idol kung kayo po ay na-amaze sa kanyang boses, sa kanyang performance po mga idol. Na-appreciate nyo ba? Please comment down below mga idol. So, hanggang dito lang po mga idol. Yan po ang ating mga dugong Pinoy pagdating sa kantahan. Halimaw talaga yan. Grabe. God bless mga idol.